Hello and welcome back to Productive Dragons channel to Vlogmas day 11. I want to first apologize for not having day 10 up at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I am sorry. I thought I had done it and I guess I was so tired I forgot, and well, it was late. So my apologies. I'm going to do better. Well, we'll start with Stickii Cute, Pop, and Vintage. Alright. Alright, so I need the white sheet. And we have, oh, these are cute. Really cute. Okay. Alright. Let's see what Pop gives us. Jumping a day. Alright. Another clear sheet. Ooh, that's nice too. Okay. Alright. And last but not least, Vintage. It too has a clear. Ooh. I think everybody knows which ones I'm going to pick for the first. Alright, so we have Vintage, Pop, and Cute. Okay. And the way I'm going is Vintage, Pop, Cute. Vintage 1. I absolutely love Vintage. Between these two, I'm going for the Pop because of the colors and that. Like I said, this is cute. So, yeah, Vintage, Pop, Cute. That's how it's going to go. Let me know what your opinion was of it. Do you agree, disagree? I'm all ears. Okie dokie. Next we have Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, so this is 11. Ooh, what did we get today? Oh, Jack. I like Jack. Okay, cool. All right, we have Jack. The dragon. Let's see here. Oop. Little spring dragon. And the other dragon one. I'm trying to be careful because this might go down to the next box. And I don't want to open that just too soon. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. There you go. There goes that guy. Alright. Alright. Twice Sheared sheep. I am curious what the day is going to be. I'm going to guess it's a notion of some sort. Ooh, okay. What is this? A needle threader. Oh, cool. Oh, this is so cool. I like it. Let's see here. Let me pull it up. Oh yeah, I like that. It is so adorable. Look at this. The bear family. And the wire. Oh, that is awesome. I really like that. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. That is awesome. Okay, I definitely like that. That I can see using. Alright. Next we have Sue yarn. Little Mystery Hank. What we got? Ooh, I love that. Let's open this up a little bit more. Let's put. Yeah, there we go. And let me go ahead and show you. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love that color combination. Can't wait till we get to the end and get the names of these yarns. I am curious as all get out. Alright. We've got K Studio. Next. Okay. Interest. Okay. We have this and we have this. Okay, stickers. Cora's, which I got a feeling this might be another pet tape, and I am correct. Okay. Let's see what we got in this one. Oh, this is my favorite. Oh, she gets me. She gets me. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is awesome. This makes the second dragon thing we've gotten. This one. And like I said, this is the small. I didn't get the large. I am still tempted to get the large. I have to admit, I am tempted to get the large. But I'm sitting there going, no, you don't need to buy any more. And I just keep trying to talk myself out of it. I haven't even went back to Etsy. The one time I did look, I was like, oh yeah, it's still available. And there were some other dragon things on there, and I'm sitting there going, ooh, and I went, no, wait until this is done, and then decide if you're gonna, I'm like, oh, but I'm like, are you serious? Cora, you did it again. Oops. Nicely tight, or at least try to. There we go. All right. Kara's is next. This is our crystal, which I am probably still mispronouncing that woman's name wrong. I'm so sorry. Ooh, a chevron amethyst. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, spiritual awakening intuition. Chakras are the third eye and crown. Element is water. Zodiac is Pisces, and the complementary crystals are clear quartz, selenite, and labradorite. Oh, not bad. I'm really getting a kick out of these. Okay. Next, we've got the Phantom, Fiction Phantom, and I have not read the last book. It's got several stories in it, so yeah, this one is a paperback, so it's going to take me a while to read that one. And plus, I'm trying to get another book out before I lose it on my subscriptions. So let's see here. What did we get today? I get to own it. My Best Friend Exorcism by Grady Hendrix. I've actually read the book. I don't know if I own it, but I have read it, and it was a good book. I enjoyed it. So this one I don't have to worry about because I've already read it. Matter of fact, the first Grady Hendrix I actually read was We Sold Our Souls. And then this became the next one that I read. And the one after that one was the Southern's Guide to Slaying Vampires. So I've read a lot of his books, basically. So yeah. Oh, that's so cool. I've actually read this one and I gave it good rating. So yeah, that's a done deal. Alright. Next we have Addison and Sedwick. Let's see here. Alright. I forgot to put that down, didn't I? That's Addison. Okay, anyway. Yellowstone is the next one. And it's weird because I'm looking at its color going, that's not what I have thought. So, I'm not quite sure what Addison is. Oh, sorry, Yellowstone. Addison was this one. I want to say that's blue. I could be completely wrong. We're about to find out. No, it's purple. Interesting. Okay. It is a purple. So that is Yellowstone. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Okay. All right. Interesting. Okay. Next is Colt pens. It's a little box like this. I have no clue. Could be eraser. But we've already gotten an eraser, so I don't know. Let's see here. No, it was washi tape. Interesting. Okay, and it's Cora. Okay. 15 millimeter to 7 meters. Okay. Ugh. The tape is so... There we go. Ah, there. Much better. There we go. Simple flower design. So, okay. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Alright. Alright. Now we get to the everybody's favorites. Okay, so we've done that. So we're looking at 11. So in this one, it's Blue Hole. From within the blue hole, the sky reveals a sea of an unparalleled clarity. Okay. Turquoise coloring. There we go. These are the colors so far. So let's open up this baby. Okay. All right. Oh, wow. That is very light. I was not expecting it to be that light. But it was. It's a very light blue. Okay. All right. We have that. And last but not least, we have this baby. So 11's right here. Brr. So we have two blues back to back. Not bad. Okay. Alrighty. So flip that over here. Here is, and if you move it in different lights, you get different colors. So there we go. This is a pigment shimmer. Okay. Interesting. Oh, there it is. So shake this up really good. Make sure I got some good shake in this. All right. Okay. All right. Ooh, that's much better blue. Wow. So there is the blue. I don't know if you'll see the shimmer or not in that, but woof, it's much darker than those ones. But, you know, it's kind of funny how today just happens to be a blue day. Quite interesting. I'm really getting a kick out of some of this stuff. So there we go. There is what we got today. What do you think so far? Are you enjoying it? I know I'm enjoying it. I have some that I'm really thrilled with and some that I'm like, next year will be a different story. It's the best way of putting it. I'm really happy that you know, in some ways, I'm happy, but my wallet's not happy that I found this. That there was a YouTuber telling us, because I didn't know they had one. And I'm so happy I got it, because I was like, ooh, that is so cool. I knew about the Diamine, but I didn't know about Colorvent. And right now, I'm enjoying both on the inks, because it's been really interesting seeing what they're coming up with. I kind of like the Colorvent because it gives a little bit more information, where this is just, you pick it up and I'll tell you on the side here if it's a shimmer or things like that. So, of course, there's a shimmer down there. But all in all, it's not bad. It's pretty cool. Let's see here. It's dried up a little bit. Not by much, but, you know, it is a gorgeous blue. So, all in all, let me know what you think. What was your favorites today? Like the video. And until next time, I will hopefully see you at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time for day 12. 12. And until then, I hope everybody is having a wonderful day.